Okay, so this session is being recorded. It's just a quick overview, and I'm with a gentleman right now that we're going to go through and just cover the overview of ICI World when a member gets started and for people to learn. And the first thing is to go to ICIWorld.com. This is where all the action is in the world. And the first thing everyone should know, everyone in the world should know that you can click on Search Haves and Wants, and you pick either the country, the continent, the province, or the state of where you are. And in your case, just hang on 1 second, and in your case, Prasad, we're going to choose, do you want residential, businesses, or commercial?
All of it, right?
You can pick one of those three. Which one?
Oh yeah, I think it's a
you're looking for anything at all.
Okay, let's go with the residential.
Okay, we're going to click on Ontario Residential.
Yeah.
And what city are you in?
I'm in the city of Brampton, but I think it's my area would be GTA.
Let's click on Brampton.
Okay.
And right away you're going to see a list of properties come up.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm suggesting is that there is a way to print out a list of properties literally within 30 to 60 seconds,
okay,
complete with contact names and phone numbers. You'll see all the phone numbers are here for everyone.
Okay.
You can go right to your price range. So if you're looking, between 600 and 700,000, you just come right down here, and you're going to see all kinds of properties in Brampton. And you'll even see properties that are not on real estate boards, because a lot of this is all exclusive.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And there is
you just click on the message number.
Okay.
There's the full page of information on this particular property.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
So it's actually that fast and that easy. Now, do you have a mobile device?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so mark this down your mobile. If you have an Android or an iPhone?
Actually, I would like to use this on my tablet, which is an Android.
Okay, on the tablet, is it as big as an iPad or a little bit smaller?
This is a 10-inch tablet, Nexus 4.
It's the Nexus 4?
Yes, Nexus 10, Nexus 10-inch, 10-inch tablet.
Okay, I'm gonna suggest that you use the main website, ICIWorld.com,
mm-hmm,
and just use that on your tablet, because to go to the main website is usually very, very easy and nice to do, and you get the full page of information. So
okay.
you get the full benefit on an iPad by going to the main website, ICIWorld.com.
Okay, so I'm going to use the main web page, that main website. That's fine.
Yeah, just please write it down. We don't have enough time to actually install it now for this particular recording.
Okay.
But for your tablet and the iPad, those are good questions that you're asking. Use ICIWorld.com. At least that's what I use. I'm an assistant to everyone in the world, and that's what I'm recommending. But some people prefer other things. That's okay. You can do it. Now, when it comes to the mobile phones, the screens are a lot smaller.
That's true.
And on the mobile phones, I'm going to recommend that you go to the App Store or to the Play Store and you search the word ICI World.
We did that on the weekend session.
Okay, and then you install it.
I installed the app. Yes.
And also for anybody that has a BlackBerry, and also this is a second level of support for iPhones and Androids and BlackBerries and Windows devices and all kinds of other things.
Hmm.
You use the internet and you go to ICIWorld.mobi, such as you see on the screen.
Yes.
And you add it to your home screen. This is not an app. It happens to be a mobile website. So you go to the mobile website, ICIWorld.mobi,
yeah.
and what comes up on a mobile device is this.
Hmm.
Now, if you want to search residential, the same as I clicked on Brampton a moment ago,
yeah,
you can click on Search Residential,
mm-hmm,
and you can choose Brampton,
mm-hmm,
and the list comes up just the same way.
okay, I see.
So in other words, you can do it on the website, you can do it on your tablet, and you can do it on, and everything is within 30 seconds if you notice.
Yeah, and then in the main website, do you have that search criteria? Because I do not see that. I see it on a mobile website.
Okay, I'll go back to the main website. One moment.
Yeah.
And again, we're going to click on the search. And let's go back to Ontario Residential.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, and you'll see that you can click on Brampton again.
Yes.
Now you're going to notice that there's a difference here. There's 123 listings this way.
Yeah.
But when you search the mobile device, there's only 84.
That's true. Yes.
And the reason is we have restricted the mobile devices. So in other words, if you search this mobile device or on your app, like from the iTunes and from the Android, the listings that are coming up immediately, when I search here, the listings have a default setting of age of less than 3 months.
That's true. Yeah, that's why I noticed. Yeah.
Now, if I click on 3 months and I want them any age, and we use them any age many times for contact purposes, because you might contact a broker who works the area, and maybe he knows about other listings that are not in that area, not available on ICIWorld. And so it's good networking.
Yes.
If you want to search the very recent within the last 30 days, you can click on search 1 month, less than 1 month, search the database, and these are the, oopsie daisy, let's go back and choose Brampton. Oops, hang on. What is it? Business Canada. Okay, I've searched the commercial widget here. I'm going to change that. I want to go to the, and then I search the residential widget. Hang on. And there's the word Brampton.
Yeah.
And if I want to search, say, less than 1 month old, then bingo, there they are.
Yeah.
So there's about 50 listings that are less than 30 days old.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're recommending every member on this service keep their listings, refresh them every 30 to 60 days, never let them go more than 90 days or they don't show up on these mobile apps.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So coming back to the main website, and then main website, where is the search criteria to put it in?
Okay, let's go back to the main website. Now, one way to search, of course, is by the city, and they're sorted by price.
Yeah. Okay.
Another way to search is called this advanced search up here.
Oh, okay. Advanced search. Okay.
So if we click on advanced search, and in this case, you can choose Canada.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Same way as the mobile website. Okay.
And then you choose Greater Toronto, and then you can choose Brampton.
Okay.
And if you only want the halves, you can choose just the halves.
Yeah.
And then if you wanted to, you can choose residential if you only want residential.
Yeah.
And if you want strictly active listings, you can choose strictly active.
Okay.
Okay. And then how would you like to sort them?
Yeah. Okay. Sort them the price basically. So let's look at
You
it.
can do price. Change the number of results, to 100.
Yeah.
And search the database. And there they are, strictly the halves, sorted by price. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, when you click on some of these, you'll notice that this one is coming for sale. Coming soon.
Yes, coming soon.
So people can put their exclusive opportunities on here and that you cannot place on a real estate board. So you're no longer restricted to have an MLS type listing. Let's click on this one and see what it is. Now this one happens to be MLS.
Yes. Okay.
So we're just like classified ads in a newspaper. People can just simply add it. This one has to be MLS by the same gentleman, Tony Sandy. Click on this one here, and this one is a know about.
Yeah.
So somebody knows about a property for sale.
Yeah. Okay.
And okay, so that's how that kind of works there.
Yeah.
The key thing on exclusive information is to never place an address and never identify a property until you have a signed listing in place.
Okay.
All right, so that's residential, how you can zero in. And if you want to see all the buyers for a certain area, you can again go search a certain area, search Ontario, Greater Toronto, and then if you wanted, say, Mississauga, for instance, and you wanted strictly the buyers, you can change the want.
Okay.
And if you want them only for residential, in fact, we might even just search all of Toronto and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Residential, these are buyers of residential homes. Click on search, and bingo, you'll see that all of these are buyers.
Okay, basically these are all the buyers from, mostly generally is by from the brokerages. I think that's what I see.
They're all database number one is strictly information placed by broker members of ICIWorld. The public can read this.
Yeah, okay.
If you want information in database 2 directly from the public as a member, what you can do is go back to the the main website like this.
Okay.
And you go down on the page and you'll see Search Database 2 right here.
Oh, one second. Okay, wait a second. I'm trying to see. Okay. Okay. Database 2 at the bottom. Okay.
Well, it's actually, if I go up here, Search Has and Wants.
Okay.
Go down just a little bit, and there it is right there.
Okay, I see it.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then you click on Search Database 2 again. And then if you want to search Canada, you can click on Canada.
Yeah.
And if you want to search Brampton, you click on Brampton.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the listings that are placed by the public.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay. So if you click on that message and then
member,
yeah.
So in order to get into these, you have to click on Member Access, the physical area on the left.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, if you click on Ontario on the left, you'll see that you can click on these.
Mm.
These numbers are now clickable.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And you'll get the contact name and number for these principals.
Okay.
Okay? These are the actual public facing ads.
Okay.
If you want to do an advanced search for just Mississauga, you can just type in Brampton.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, you can just go down to the bottom of the page and search. And you'll see that these are all Brampton listings.
Yeah. I see.
Now, you'll notice some of these have a star beside them and some don't.
Mm.
The ones with the stars have been placed by brokers who are not members of our service.
Mm. That's interesting.
And we allow them to do that for 3 reasons.
Mm.
If this happens to be an exclusive listing, this can help you do business.
Yeah.
And if you can make $30,000 with this broker on this exclusive listing, or $18,000 or whatever, then that's a benefit to you.
Mm.
Secondly, we're not giving anything away because no one can click on these unless you're a member.
Oh, okay, okay. So you are allowed them to place it, but non-members cannot see the details of the person who placed it.
That's correct.
Okay, I see.
And thirdly, these can also be included on the widgets for your website, and any of these listings can actually end up triggering a lead to you.
Yeah, and then people can go because any from our website, any link is not clickable, so they will have to contact me for that.
That's correct. So you will get the calls on all of these.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then these other ones, of course, are directly from the principals.
Okay.
Like if I click on that, come down here, and you'll see this is the owner right there.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Okay?
All right.
All right. So that's just the basic thing to how to search the database. If you want to search, you click on Search Has and Wants. And then if you want to search commercial, you click on Ontario Commercial. One of the first things everyone should learn is keywords. I'm going to click on keywords.
Yeah.
There's the advanced search. You can do that right there if you want.
Yeah.
Or you could go down a little further, and there's all the wants listed by categories.
Yeah.
You want to list the shopping centers. Bingo, just click on shopping centers, and there they all are sorted by price.
Oh, okay.
So we have about 400 of them, all sorted by price.
Mm.
If I was to click on that and go down, you'll see they're mostly all exclusive. About 75% of the information on ICIWorld is exclusive, not on real estate boards.
Okay. Perfect.
Now, keyword is an important thing to learn. I'm going to click on keyword.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're looking for gas stations, hotels, motels, power of sales, you can click on these things, power of sales, and you'll see that all the power of sales kind of come up over that. So there's power of sale here, etc. Okay?
These are all the commercial power of sale.
These are, but this will be all power of sale. This happens to be a home.
Oh, okay.
This is a home.
Okay.
So this includes some homes as well.
Okay. So go back. So basically, you went for a keyword search, and then that's it. You click the keyword, and it's going to bring up.
Use this key, and there's use keyword search. These are keywords.
Yeah. Okay. And then power of sale.
If you want restaurants, you click on restaurants.
Okay.
And these are, all the restaurants come in for sale.
Okay. I got it.
Gas stations, hotels, mobile hotels, golf courses, like you name it. We've got it all. Pizza shops. Click on the pizza.
Mm-hmm. Gary, how often these are updated and then are gone?
Let's talk about the pizza shops. Watch this. If I click
Mm-hmm.
And asking for the date is a good question. I'm going to click on the first one. Everything is dated.
Yeah.
Now, the date that you and I are talking, because this is going to be a video, is April the 13th. So this has been put on 2 days ago.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Now, if we go down further, click on that date, the date is older.
Yeah.
It's about 2 or 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do not delete older listings. As long as they're active and the member is active, they're on here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you and I know sometimes people are not updating the really old listings, like way down here.
Mm.
But that's up to the agent. If he wants to leave it here for networking purposes, we recommend that you absolutely update your information every 30 to 60 days and never let your listings go longer than 90, because none of these listings at the bottom are showing up on the worldwide apps from ICIWorld for mobile devices.
Yeah.
These do not show up.
Yeah.
Only the listings less than 90 days are showing up.
Okay. I see.
All right?
Yeah.
So we only have the 90 now. For the brokers that know what they're doing and want to network with some of these older listings, then they can come to the main website, and you can click on gas stations. Everything is sorted by date. And if you go down to the very bottom, they get older. Now, is it possible that this property is still available? The answer is yes, absolutely, even though it could be back to November. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, if you only want to search by date, you can. And I'll show you how you can search by date. You go to Advanced Search for Contact Information. And you'll see there's a calendar here. Date of listing.
Okay. Date of
And you
listing.
choose how far back do you want to search. If you only want to go back 1 week, you can do it. If you only want to search the listings back, say back 1 week, I can change that to April 6th, right? Go down on the bottom and search the database. And these are 1 week old listings. There's almost 400 of them.
Okay. I see.
Okay, now if you want to search them even more for just your area, 1 week old listings, you can search just the haves or the wants, right?
Yeah.
And if you want to choose, you know, a special area, or maybe just the GTA, you could do that. And if you wanted just apartment buildings, for instance, 1 week old apartment buildings, you can do that. But I would also choose an active status.
Yeah.
You might not want expired or inactive, although these are all good for contact purposes. You might just choose active, and then come down to the bottom and search the database.
Okay.
And there they are. So within the last week, there they are.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a 12-unit building there. There's an office building for sale. Hotel, all of these things, apartment building, etc. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that concludes, I think, our search for searching. And also, there is one more thing that everybody should know. There are keywords also for residential.
Okay.
And the keywords for residential, you click on the keyword button here, and then come down here. These are all keywords for residential. So if you're interested in a cottage, you can click on cottage.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
And power of sales. Now, the other interesting one that's really neat is the one that says coming for sale. So if I went to keyword here and I typed in clicked on coming for sale, this people can get a jump on the marketplace.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That concludes our little system. I'm going to let everybody know. I'm going to stop here, stop recording. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call the office. Just go to ICIWorld.com and you click on Contact Us or Join to get your listings on here. There's about 40,000 readership per month plus 20,000 emails going out daily to get your information on here. Just a small annual fee for unlimited advertising. It's basically similar to electronic. We call it the electronic equivalent of classified ads in an but it's broker-centric. So the brokers become members. They go to log in to add their information.